Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. Okay, so this question belongs to GATE CSC 2002, guys. Okay, so the given question is, so a B plus tree index is to be built on the name. Okay, so is to be built on the name attribute of a student. Assume that all student names are length 8 bytes. Okay, disk block size is 512 bytes and the index pointer are size with 4 bytes. Given the scenario, what would be the best choice of a degree, that is the number of pointers per node for a B plus tree? Okay, so based on this understanding, I think it seems to be like an internal node of B plus tree, right? So if you recall, what is the structure of internal node of a B plus tree, guys? Okay, so we are going to have the down pointers followed by data items, right? Yes. And now in the question, what they are asking, guys? So they are clearly asking, okay, so they are clearly asking the number of these things, right? Yes, so they clearly told that this particular length is 8 bytes, okay, and this particular length is 4 bytes, right? Okay, okay, okay. So now based on my observation, I think they are asking about what, guys? So given that the scenario, what would be the best choice of a degree? Okay, so they are asking the number of pointers per block. So these are nothing but the number of pointers, right? So if we assume them as n, so what will be the count of these items? It will be n minus 1, right? Yes. So now the whole result, so they clearly give that the total size of the block is a 512 bytes. So the total result is a 512 bytes. So it is a nothing but a 4n plus 8n minus 8 is equals to, okay, is equals to 512. That is a nothing but 12n is equals to 520. Okay, so I think we can directly calculate it, right? So 520 divided by 12. So the answer is a nothing but 43.33. So I think the most appropriate answer should be C, right? Yes. Okay, yes, so C is the correct answer. Got it? Yes. So whenever we are working with these type of nodes, so you cannot fit that 0.33 value, right? So that is the reason why we are going to eat it. So the final result will be 43. That's it, right? Yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea on this. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question. Okay, yes, and please try to remember these structures, guys. So we are having only 4 structures: internal node of B tree, leaf node of B tree, internal node of B plus tree, leaf node of B plus tree. Okay, yes. Okay, so I hope everyone got a clear idea with respect to this. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question. Okay, yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.